Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to use the Audible app, a platform where you can listen to thousands of audiobooks, podcasts, and original audio content anytime, anywhere. Let's get started. Audible is an audiobook and audio content app owned by Amazon. It lets you listen to books on the go, whether you're commuting, exercising, or relaxing at home. You can find popular titles, bestsellers, educational content, and even post podcasts all in one app. Now, to get started, first you need to go to App Store and download your app if you haven't. So search Audible on your search bar, and after this icon pop up, tap on that, then tap on install and open up your app. Sign in with your Amazon account or create a new one. Allow notifications so the app can send updates on new releases or recommendations. On the home screen, browse categories like fiction, non-fiction, help, self-help, or kids. You can scroll down to find. Use the search bar at the top of your page right here to find a specific book, author, or narrator. Tap a title to see reviews, details, and sample audio. So here you can see details. If you want, you can also add to wish list. Then tap buy or use a monthly credit if you have a subscription. Tap play to start listening. Use playback controls like skip forward, back, adjust speed, set a sleep timer. You can also bookmark sections or highlight quotes for later. To manage your library, go to the library section at the bottom of your page besides home. Tap on the library icon. Then you can see all your purchased or downloaded books right there. Download books for offline listening, organize by finished, in progress, or saved. Return or exchange a book if you didn't like. Audible allows one-for-one swap. Some extra features, exclusive podcasts and audiobooks. Sync your audiobook with the Kindle ebook version. Unlimited streaming of select titles with subscription. Take advantage of free trials to explore before subscribing. Use sleep timer if you like listening before bed. Highlight favorite passages for easy reference later. And that is how you can use the Audible app step by step. It is a perfect way to enjoy books on the go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down. Thank you for watching. Bye.